This Duxtop portable induction cooktop promises to revolutionize your cooking experience with its advanced technology and user-friendly design. As an avid home cook who enjoys experimenting with various cooking methods and appliances, I was eager to put this induction cooktop to the test. In this comprehensive review, I'll share my detailed insights based on practical use and performance testing. Upon unboxing, the Duxtop Induction Cooktop exudes a sleek and modern aesthetic. The black and gold finish adds a touch of elegance, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen countertop. The unit is lightweight and compact, which is ideal for small kitchens or when additional cooking space is needed for gatherings or outdoor events. The smooth glass cooktop is not only attractive, but also easy to clean. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth after use to maintain its pristine appearance. The standout feature of the Duxtop 1800W induction cooktop is its impressive heating speed and efficiency. Powered by a standard 120-volt 15-amp electrical outlet, which is common in North American homes, the cooktop heats up quickly and provides consistent heat distribution across various cooking settings. It boasts 10 power levels ranging from 200 to 1800 watts, catering to a wide range of cooking needs from gentle simmering to rapid boiling. During my tests, I found that it heats up significantly faster than traditional gas or electric stoves, which translates to shorter cooking times and improved energy efficiency. Navigating the Duxtop Induction Cooktop is intuitive thanks to its digital control panel. The panel includes clearly labeled touch-sensitive buttons for adjusting power levels and temperature settings. A built-in countdown digital timer allows precise cooking with increments as small as 1 minute, up to a generous 170-minute limit. This timer feature is particularly useful for recipes that require precise timing, such as simmering sauces or slow-cooking dishes. One of the key advantages of induction cooking is its precise temperature control, and the Duxtop cooktop excels in this aspect. It offers a temperature range from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for precise adjustments to accommodate various cooking techniques. Whether you're searing meats, melting chocolate, or keeping a dish warm, the ability to set exact temperatures ensures consistent results every time. This versatility makes the cooktop suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks, from everyday meals to gourmet cooking projects. Safety is paramount in kitchen appliances, and the Duxtop Induction Cooktop prioritizes user safety with several built-in features. The auto pan detection system automatically shuts off the cooktop within 60 seconds if no cookware is detected, preventing accidental activation and conserving energy. It also includes overheat protection with a diagnostic error message system, which alerts users to any potential issues and ensures safe operation. Additionally, the low and high voltage warning system provides added reassurance against electrical hazards, contributing to a worry-free cooking experience. To maximize the performance of the Duxtop Induction Cooktop, it requires the use of induction-compatible cookware with a magnetic bottom. The cookware must have a diameter of at least 5 inches to ensure proper contact and efficient heat transfer. This compatibility requirement is standard for all induction cooktops and ensures optimal performance and safety during use. Once the appropriate cookware is in place, operating the cooktop is straightforward, making it accessible even for those new to induction cooking technology. Maintaining the Duxtop Induction Cooktop is straightforward due to its smooth glass surface and minimal crevices where food particles can accumulate. After each use, simply wipe down the surface with a damp cloth or non-abrasive cleaner to keep it clean and ready for the next cooking session. The durable 7-blade fan efficiently dissipates heat, contributing to the longevity of the cooktop by preventing overheating and prolonging its operational lifespan. With proper care and maintenance, the Duxtop Induction Cooktop is designed to provide years of reliable service in the kitchen. In conclusion, the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop delivers exceptional performance, versatility, and safety features that cater to both novice and experienced cooks alike. Its rapid heating capabilities, precise temperature control, and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're looking to upgrade your cooking appliances, expand your culinary skills, or enhance efficiency in meal preparation, this induction cooktop stands out as a reliable choice. I highly recommend it for its performance, durability, and ease of use. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.